Okay. Well, in our previous class, we discussed how to write a biography. Can you remember? Yes, certainly you can. And we took up Rabindranath Tagore for the writing activity. Can you remember today's lesson we are going to take up? You are right. Exactly. Now, you wait for uh, an image on the WhatsApp. You wait for the image. I am sending a chart on the WhatsApp. You have to first understand the chart, then fill it in with information from the lesson 7. Do you get my point? Let me repeat. I am giving you a chart to fill in with on your WhatsApp. You have to fill in the chart with information from the text lesson 7. Now try to understand the chart and then you fill it in with information from the text. Follow the instruction. You need not write complete sentences. You just on the left side have got the question, and on the right side you have to put in information from the text. So you consult the text and fill in the chart with appropriate information from the text, right? So this is your first part of today's lesson, and it will take some time. You need not go in a hurry. You work with care so that you may find the appropriate information against each column. Okay? If you have any problem, let me know. Yes, you do it right now. You fill in the chart right now. It is your first part of today's lesson. In your copy, you get the chart first. You first get the chart on your copy and then work it out. After you finish the task, wait. Then I will give you the answer and you check it. After 10 minutes, I will check whether you have got the right information against each column. This, and then the first part of today's lesson will be over. And then I will tell you about the second part of today's lesson. Is it clear? Well, your time is up. Now check whether you have put in the right information, okay? Column 1, right? The poet in lesson 7, Kazi Nazrul Islam, okay? 2. The adjective used to describe him. The adjective is rebel. 3. Date of birth 24th of May 1899. 4. Place Churulia in the district of Bardhan. 5. Plays he wrote Datakarno and Kavi Kalidas. 6. His teacher Nivaran Chandra Ghatak. 7. Magazine he started or published Dhumketu. 8. Find out the poems referred to in the text. Koroi Loho Kapot, Bidrohi, Kandari Hushiari, Kheyapare Tarani, Anandomoyir Agomon. 9. His act of patriotism means how did he show that he was a patriot? Now from the text you have got the information that Nazrul wrote many songs to inspire the freedom fighters, particularly the youth of India. He voiced his protest against the cruelty of the British through his songs and poems. So you have to refer to his literary works, that is songs and poems, essays, which inspired the freedom fighters, and thereby he showed his patriotism. This much will do, okay? 10. Two poets who influenced Nazrul: Rabindranath Tagore, Hafiz and Khayyam. And point 11, column 11, death 29th August 1976. I think you have all got the right information. You just check the answer with what I gave you on the voice record. Have you got all the correct information? Okay, now we are moving to the second part of today's lesson. Now for the next class means not next Saturday. Next Saturday, I think you know there is a test. So after the test is over, if you have time, then you will have to do something as the second part of today's lesson. And what is that part? Now that you have got adequate information about Qazi Nazrul Islam, you have got the information from the text. So now you are ready with information about the rebel poet. So you have to write a biography of Qazi Nazrul Islam in your own words, as you did when I asked you to write a biography of Rabindranath Tagore. So this is the second part of today's lesson for your home task. Is it clear? So write the biography of Nazrul Islam at home. Get ready with your answer. When we shall meet next, I will check. Before that, those who are interested can send your answers on the WhatsApp. But remember, next Saturday there is a test, and that test will be on Rabindranath Tagore. So you get information about Rabindranath Tagore, some from the text maybe, and from some other sources you may get it. But it will be a comprehension text. Before the text, you will get a text from me on the WhatsApp. You have to read the text and answer the questions that follow. So next day's text is comprehension test on Rabindranath Tagore. Do you get my point? So today's class is over. Stay safe and well, and goodbye, my dear.